Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Jagdish. In this video, we will discuss about flows. What is mean by flows? Flows allows you to build complex business automation using click instead of writing code. Flows is very important because Salesforce announced that workflow rules and process builder will be depreciated means flow will be the future of automation tool. Here in quick find I am search workflow rules. Here we can see that Flow Builder is the future of low automation, low code automation. You can use it to create most of the automation found in workflow rule. And also same instruction available in process builder. Here I am open process builder. Here we can see instruction go with flow builders, the future of low code automation. We can do everything you do with process builder and more. Salesforce plan to retire process builder and recommends building automation in flow builder. That's why flow is very important topic. Next point is flows used when you need to perform mass update across multiple records. And the main benefits of flows is flows are easy to maintain. Next point is types of flows. There are 5 types of flows in Salesforce. First type is screen flow. Second type is record trigger flow. Third type is schedule trigger flow. And fourth type is platform event trigger flow. And last type is auto launch flow. Here we can see all types of flows here. First one is screen flow. Screen flow Screen flow is guides user through a business process that's launched from Lightning, Pages, Experience, Cloud Sites, Quick Action, and more. Next is record trigger flow. It launches when a record is created, updated, or deleted. This auto launch flow run in backgrounds. Next flow is schedule trigger flow. It launches at specified time and frequency for each record in a batch. This auto launch flow runs in a background. Next flow is platform event trigger flow. It launches when a platform event message is received. This auto launch flow runs in a background. Next flow is auto launch flow. It launches when invoked by Apex, processes, REST API, and more. These are the types of flows in Salesforce. We can see one by one in next tutorial. Please like video and subscribe my channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching.